Hi, this video I'm creating for my students. Today I'm going to be showing you how to hide unused section marks in Revit. So to explain that, I'm going to ground floor plan and I'm going to draw two sections. Let's take one section through the staircase and the sections are not visible. Let's check visibility graphics, annotation categories, keep sections visible. Well, we have another section here. Let's use the same section. Okay, so I have two sections. One section I'm going to use it in the sheet, other section I'm going to just keep it here. Let's go to the view. So we have the plan here and the section mark is visible. Now here I'm going to add the section. So in the project browser you can see sections. We have two sections. One section I'm going to grab it to the sheet. So now, so if you watch in the ground floor, you can see here there is a number, and in the other section there is no number. And I want to hide whichever the sections are not placed on sheet. Let me take another section and I'm going to place this here. Okay, so I just have to show only one. I don't want to show these two. I can hide with the hide in view element. Otherwise, I can create a filter rule to hide unused section. Let me show you how. I'm going to visibility graphics. I'm typing VG in the keyboard. Go to filters. Click here in the edit new. Here create a new sections not on sheets. I'm going to say OK. Select here in the category, select sections. In the rules, select sheet number and keep it as less than 0. And I'm going to say OK. Now I'm going to add sections not on sheets. There's a spelling mistake, that's okay. And I'm going to say visibility uncheck. That means it won't be visible. And I'm going to say OK. And now you can see that is getting hidden. I'm going to the same sheet again and I'm going to grab section 2. If I go to ground floor plan, now you can see, so whenever I'm placing the view on the sheet, this is automatically updating the view with the section mark. So this is how you can control the section marks on sheet. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.